Hello, hope everyone's having a good day. A little package here to open. Looks like we got some tape there. Get through that. Let's get this tape. Yeah. Looks like we're in. There we go. A little more. All right. We have a box. Manganas. That's cool. Shiny logo. Very cool. What's in the box? What's in the box? Probably know what's in the box. Caimano from Manganas Steel. Some awesome purple carbon fiber on there. Nice size knife. Hope the train's not too loud. Very cool. I like this back spacer. I like a big back spacer. Let's check out the flick. Nice flick. And look at that blade. Very cool. Super comfortable to hold. That is one cool blade. Check it out. That's 35 VN. Pretty awesome. Got a Tanto type blade. It's a long nose. A harpoonage. That is just wicked. What else we got? Extra hardware. Extra everything. Pocket clip and all. That's awesome. Sticker. Manganas Steel. msknives.com. I'll put a link to that in the description. I'll put a link to his YouTube also. So designed by Sharif Manganas. Certificate of authenticity. Awesome. Minor blem. Put getting one of these off for a little while. I didn't want to. It's just one of those things. Took a while to actually get the order in. I think he still has some available if you're interested. And it's a nice big blade on that. Very cool. Feels great. Just a quick little first look. I don't see the blem yet. Probably somewhere. Might not notice it. Man, that is awesome. Super happy to finally get a handle on this. This is a great size. I love the size. Nice jimping. Let's see. finger flick. Heck yeah. Very nice. Thumb flick. Yeah, there we go. Back flip. Such good action. Man, I'm gonna really enjoy having this one around. Very cool. See if I got any comparisons. There we go. We got another design made by Sharif Manganas. The Grazioso. It's about that big. This is one of my favorites. The Veloce. Love this knife. Carry the heck out of it. Got it all scuffed up and everything. It's pretty comparable to those two. But yeah, Caimano. Awesome design. Very cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.